In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Crimson Desert is not showing or not getting detected in NVIDIA on your NVIDIA app and how we can fix it. So let's get started. Most probably when you add the game, this should appear like this, like the Grand Theft Auto should appear, but if it's not the case, go over here, click on the graphics. Now from here, click on the three-dot menu and there is an option called refresh. Just do the refresh. After the refresh is done, you have to check. Sometimes you have to do the refresh multiple times. It might grayed out the second time when you're trying. If that is the case, you can move to the next step. But if you're having the refresh option here, you have to keep on trying it multiple times and you have to check. That is what you have to do. Afterwards, if it is grayed out, click on the three-dot menu, go for add a scan location. Now we have to scroll it down and navigate to the game. Now add the game from where the game is installed. So you have to add the game. Once the game is added, you have to check. Still, if it's not there, we have to close the NVIDIA app and we have to relaunch it back. Now you can close this. Not only that, you have to go to the system tray, click on this option here, go for exit. Then you have to relaunch the NVIDIA app. Just do like this and you can click on the NVIDIA app over here. Now it will be popping up right now. Then check whether you are able to find the game. If you're still not able to find the game, then just click on the drivers. The reason might be the driver, so you have to update the driver. It says the update is available for 595.79 version, which is released on March 10, 2026. So try downloading to this and you have to check, and that is what you have to do. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.